Hello students, welcome to Vajanti Study. Today I am going to teach you question answers from our English book. It so happened chapter The Comet 1. Let's start. Why does Indrani Devi dislike the Tadas hobnobbing with Dibya? The Tada spent most of his time with Dibya, the telescope. He was suffering from cold, but he forgot to put on even his sweater. He also did not bother to close the door. He was so much lost in stargazing. Dibya had cast a spell on him, so Indrani Devi did not like him to hobnob with Dibya. She is complaining and simpling. Why is she smiling? She could not repress her smile because he did not even close the door. He was unaware of the practical problems of living. He forgot to put on his sweater even after the doctor's advice. What was the Tada's secret ambition? The Tada's secret ambition was to buy a good telescope and to have sufficient time. He wants to observe the heaven. What did he do to achieve it? He got them both when he retired with sufficient money. The telescope was installed and the Tada started gazing at the stars. What is the difference between a planet and a comet as given in the story? A comet can be new. They come from the distant corners of the solar system. Like planets, they orbit around the sun, but their orbit keeps on changing. On the other hand, a planet has a fixed orbit. Why was the Tada hopeful that he would discover a new comet soon? Professional astronomers do not pay much attention to comets. They consider them insignificant. An amateur astronomer like the Tada was hopeful to discover a new comet. Why does the Tada say, I almost wish I had not discovered this comet? The Tada was an introvert. The discovery of a new comet brought unwelcome publicity to him. He had to attend many receptions and functions, so he wished he had not discovered that comet. Why is his wife unhappy about the discovery? His wife is also unhappy about the discovery because she was superstitious. For her, arrival of a comet bring calamities. What is the important point the paper makes? The paper makes the important point that comet Datta will collide with the earth. Why does Sir John say that James' paper should not be published? If James' paper had been published, it would have caused widespread panic in the world. So Sir John asks James to tone down the terrible truth in the paper. What do the two men finally decide to do? Finally, the two men decide to call an important secret conference of international experts. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you.